the boot camp, I kind of want to go over the structure of the course itself, so that you know what you're getting into. I think we did. Sarah and Jake, thank you for kind of going over, you know, what the end result could be and some of the things you might learn. But the structure of our boot camp is a 4-month program. You spend the first 3 months with us in the classroom, specifically most of your time with Sarah and some of our other instructors. And that first 3 months is full time, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. And we do that for a few reasons. One, because that immersion process, we know that learning a new language, learning something new, that immersing yourself in it is the best way to do it in an accelerated rate. And so we really work really hard to make sure our curriculum follows that path and that we're giving you a really solid foundation. Because in that 4th month, we partner with companies to provide an internship. So by the time you leave this program, you've got that base set of skills and you have that experience in your internship, which is so important for the job hunt, for solidifying the skills that you learned throughout the course. And so for us, it was really important that both of those things happened, that you had the time in the classroom, that you're really learning, you're connecting with your cohort, you get to ask questions and really dive into the material and really feel like, what is it like to be a developer day in and day out for those first 3 months. That it was really our intention when we set up our curriculum that that classroom time really looks and feels as much like working on a dev team. So when you leave that classroom, it is mirrors what it'll be like in your internship. And then when you leave your internship, it'll be a lot like what it's like working in a for a company. And so not just over these skills that we're learning, but we're teaching you how to connect with developers, how to talk to developers, what are the tools that they're using. So those first few weeks are not as scary because you've been doing it with us through that time. And then the other part that I honestly is probably the thing that I'm the most proud of is the community of people that we have such a great community of alumni and community partners and companies that are all together and rooting for you and are really excited to usher new people into the industry.